Question number 2. 2 upon 5 multiply 3 upon minus 7 minus 1 by 6 multiply 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 multiply 2 by 5. Now first of all you just count how many terms are present here. Okay, how many terms are present here? This is our first term, right? This is second term and this is third term, right? Because 2 upon 5 is multiply with 3 minus 7, 3 upon minus 7. So it's a single term. After that here minus sign is there. That's why second term start. Again here plus sign is there. So our third term start. So here we have three terms, first, second and third. Okay. So first term, second term, third term. Now just look at this three term. Can you find anything common in two terms? Yes. Here we have 2 upon 5. Here we have 2 upon 5. Right? In first term and in third term we have 2 upon 5. So what we need to do? Just write down first term. After that write down this third term and just transfer this second term to the last. Okay. So here first term as it is, then this third term comes to the second position with this sign plus 1 upon 14 multiply 2 upon 5. Then third term again with this sign minus 1 by 6 multiply 3 by 2. Okay. Now in these two terms 2 by 5 is common, right? In first and second term 2 upon 5 is common. So we can take common 2 upon 5. So what is remaining in the bracket? Here minus 3 by 7. Here plus 1 by 14. Okay. Again 2 upon 5 is common. So it is cut. 2 upon 5 common. So what is remaining? Minus 3 by 7 and plus 1 upon 14. Now last term. This is a single term. If any simplification is there, we can simplify it. Right now here we can write like this: 3 2s are 6. Right here 1 by 6 multiply 3 by 2. So 3 2s are 6. Right. So in numerator 1, before that minus sign, and 2 2s are 4. So our last term is minus 1 by 4. Okay. So here now one thing I forgot to inform you in question number 1, that is in second step we need to write this using distributive property. If we take 2 by 5 as a common and we combine this two terms, it is a distributive property. Because what is distributive property? Like this: A cross B plus C, then A cross B plus A cross C. I already explained this thing in theory part, right? So here we have this type of form. So from that we can write like this by using the distributive property, right? A is common, so we write like this: A is common and in bracket B plus C, right? In bracket B plus C, because A is common, so A cut. What is remaining? B, positive sign, and C. If positive sign is there, then positive. Otherwise, if negative sign is there, then we need to write negative sign. Okay, so this is distributive property. So we need to write the reason. Okay, then first of all we need to solve this bracket, right? So in bracket we have minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Now check the denominator. 7 and 14. Denominator is not same. So what we need to do? We need to do LCM. We need to take LCM here. Now 7 and 14. What is the LCM of 7 and 14? It's a 14, right? Because 7 2s are 14. Because we can convert this 7 into 14 by multiply and divide 2. Okay, this method we do not need to show, but we need to understand, we need to do rough work. Okay, so here we can convert 7 into 14, that's why our LCM is 14. Now here 7 to the 14, right? So I am writing 14 here. Now in numerator, minus 3 into 2, 3 to the 6 plus minus minus. Here already we have denominator 14, so we directly need to write plus 1, right? We can directly write plus 1. Again, minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Here we need to convert this 7 into 14, so we multiply divide 2, right? So here 14, 3 to the minus 6 plus 1 upon 14. Then we can write like this, minus 6 plus 1. So that is written here. 2 by 5 as it is, and we simplify this bracket, and at last term minus 1 by 4, it is as it is. Okay, now what is the answer of this bracket? Minus 6 plus 1 upon 14, right? Here minus, here plus, plus minus minus, 6 minus 1, it's a 5. Big number sign is negative, so I need to write negative sign upon 14, right? So answer of our bracket is minus 5 upon 14. Okay, so that is written here. Our 2 by 5 as it is, and last term minus 1 by 4 as it is. Now our bracket is converted into single term, that's why bracket is not used here. You can use it. If you do not use, then even it's a right. Okay, then we need to do multiplication process, right? As per the board mass, we need to do multiply. So here 2 by 5 multiply 5 upon 14. So we can cut it. 2 7s are 14, right? And 5 cut. So 40 is remaining. Now nothing is remaining in numerator. Then we need to write 1. Minus sign is there, so minus sign. And in denominator 7. So minus 1 by 7. Okay. So here minus 1 by 7. Then our last term minus 1 by 4 as it is. Okay, so at this step what we have? Minus 1 upon 7, minus 1 upon 4. Now we need to simplify it. Now again denominator is not same, right? And 4 is 7 is not come in the table of 4, right? So we need to do cross multiplication here for taking LCM. Okay, so just take LCM here. So we do cross multiplication process here. Transfer this 4 with the 1. So 4 ones are 4, and before that minus sign is there. So minus 4. Then cross multiplication again. 7 ones are 7. Right? And in denominator, we need to multiply this to denominator. That means 7 4s are 28. Right? So this is LCM process. We need to do cross multiplication. 4 ones are 4, 7 ones are 7. We need to write the sign even. Both have minus sign, so we written here minus 4 minus 7. And in denominator, we need to do multiplication of our two denominator. It is 7 4s are 28. So minus 4 minus 7 upon 28. Now minus minus plus 7 plus 4 11. Big number sign minus, denominator as it is 28. Okay, so this is our final answer, minus 11 upon 28. Okay, again first of all just count down the number of terms. Okay, then just check it, anything is common in two terms. So here 2 by 5 common. So just write this two terms together. So first of all I written first term, then third term, and I transfer second term at last. Then I take 2 by 5 as a common. This is called distributive associative property, right? If we change the order of the terms, it is associative property. Then we take 2 by 5 as a common. So what is remaining? Minus 3 by 7, and here plus 1 by 14. Here 3 to the 6. So we simplify our last term. So we get minus 1 by 4. Then this is a distributive property, right? We take 2 by 5 as a common. This is distributive property. Then we simplify our bracket, right? We take LCM here. So we convert 3 by 7. Now we convert our 7 into 14. So we multiply and divide by 2 and 1 by 14 as it is. So LCM 14, numerator 3 to the 6 plus 1, right? So if we simplify it, we get here minus 5 upon 14. Then we need to simplify this. 2 by 5 minus 1 upon 14, 5 cut, 2 7s are, we get here minus 1 by 7, and our last term minus 1 by 4 as it is. Okay, then again we need to take LCM. So we do cross multiplication. 4 1s are 4, 7 1s are 7, and multiplication of denominator 28. Now minus minus plus, 7 plus 4 11, big number sign minus, denominator 28. Okay, so our final answer is minus 11 upon 28.